സോ നമ്മുടെ പാലക്കാടിൽ സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. So this is what I said is welcome to our Palakkad. This is a fish market. You can see we have come by this car over there, and this is the area. Nothing around. There's a railway station just opposite to this one. So here you get many things. So what you get here is this one here, Dambala here, then Dam Avoli. These are all local names. Dam Katila here, then Sayab Ransi, 1 kg 200 rupees. Then Dam Roe here, and then the crab Nadan Matti. Oh, Nadan Matti. Sardine Avoli black, that is pomfret, the black pomfret. Kera full size, that is tuna. This is tuna here. Then Chambali, I think we call Raja Rani. Kingfish. Kingfish, yes. Sea fish. The black pomfret, you know? Avoli big. Oh, black pomfret. They call it avoli in Malayalam. Squid. Squid is kuntal. 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 In Malayalam, kuntal. Here it is written. Yeah, squid. Yeah. And then this is mackerel. Mackerel. In English, mackerel. Aila. Nadan. Nadan means country. 1 kg 180. Matti. Same thing, sardine. Curry mean. Oh, this is the specialty of Kerala. This fish is the specialty of Kerala called curry mean. Usually in Alleppey you get this curry mean. Yeah, this is the curry mean. So this you get in Alleppey. Very famous and very favorite of mine also. See the size of this one. The prawns. Prawns how much kg? Where it is? This one, huh? Prawns, huh? How much prawns? 1 kg? 380. Prawns is 1 kg 380. Here fish here, one more. Mandal. Oh, this is mandal. Mandal. So mandal is something, I know, like a thin. Damn, Avoli. It's the same thing, I think. Pomfret here. Some more fish, squid, prawns. God, and they are all cleaning their inside. Dam fish from Malampura? Oh, Malampura dam fish. He's holding it. Yeah. So there is a dam. I showed in your video that there is a dam over there. Avoli, Avoli. See, so big it is. Yes. Thank you. Can you hold this one? Same thing, no? No, there is another one here. What do you call it? Oh my God. It's also a dam fish. Fresh water. Yeah. And see the guy how he's cutting it. I just zoom it. Yeah. Who is the legend? Oh. Kamsudin. There's 4 of them to cut the fish. So this is something, you can see the train now. Yeah, you can see the train going. Let me show the locomotive. I'll show you the locomotive over there. That's the locomotive going. See here. Yeah, there it goes. And this is the train. I don't know from where it has come, but this is the train which is... The station is just next door. And here you get tea and coffee. This is the place where you get tea and coffee and some cold drinks. The vegetable section is all closed, but here you get tea and coffee. This is the train going. And this is what I wanted to show you this morning. This is our car. And my brother-in-law is still waiting over there. I think he has given it for cutting. So Ray bhai, your fish is being cut. Which all fish you took?
I took sardine.
Yeah.
Sardine, mati, Malayalam, mati. And quid.
Squid.
In Malayalam it is said kundal.
Kundal. And?
That's all.
That's all. Only two. So, we'll be heading back now home. We are going somewhere else, Ray bhai?
Yeah. We are going to do some, I have personal Xerox taking.
Okay. Parent? Ashik. So, my brother-in-law bought squid. He is cleaning it.
Matti.
Fasil is cleaning squid.
Oh, cutter.
Cutter.
Nawaz.
Nawaz is cleaning. What he is cleaning? Our matti.
इस आदमी का नाम है
Matti in Malay, in English, what you call? Sardines. Yes. Sardines. So he's cleaning sardines. This fish is called mullan. Very tasty. Very small one, but very tasty, no? Ray bhai, very tasty, eh? And how much kg? 1 kg?
1 kg for 240, sir.
Huh?
240.
240, very cheap. Eh? Ray bhai,
Bombay, how much?
you wanted this, eh?
Yeah, I like it.
Looks like this, the real one.
Bigger one, eh? Bigger one.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Good morning, friends, and another day in Palakkad. Earlier it was known as Palghat. Let me tell you history about Kerala. The word Kerala has come from Kera. Kera means coconut. So Kera, this is the land of coconuts. So that's why it's called Kerala. And it was the Tamil Nadu and Kerala was a state together, which was ruled by two different kings, the king of Cochin and king of Travancore. And really, friends, you have to visit this two places, this Kerala, because it's said to be God's own country. That is one of the 10 to be visited places in the world. Kerala is so beautiful, let me tell you, friends. You can go to Cochin, there are direct flights. Cochin, then you go to Munnar, the tea plantation, the hills. Then you go to Kumli where the spices grow, and after Kumli you go to Alapi, the backwaters. You get a houseboat over there and you move around the canals. Then you go to Trivandrum and Kovalam. Trivandrum is the Thrissur. Oh, before that, let me tell you, you can also go to Thrissur. It's called the cultural capital of Kerala and India. Then you go to Trivandrum. Trivandrum, there is a temple called Padmanabha Swami Temple. And they say this temple has so much gold, $1 trillion of gold. You won't believe it. Just Google it, my friends. $1 trillion of gold you have in this temple. And then there's a palace very close to the temple. You visit that palace. That's the palace of the king. And then there is a beach very close, 16 kilometers away from Trivandrum, Kovalam, one of the best beaches in India. And then last from Kovalam, if you want, you can go to Kanyakumari. That's in Tamil Nadu, but very close to Kovalam. So this is the touristic places and a little bit of history. Which I said to you. Now let me tell you, Kerala has everything. That is the beaches, the cities, the temples, churches. The first church was built in India was in Kerala. So that's about Kerala. The first church was built in India, and that was when St. Thomas, one of the disciples, he landed in Kerala in 52 AD. The first mosque was built in Kerala, when the Arabs were the traders who came to Kerala and they traded in spices. So that was when the Arabs they came here and they built the first mosque in Kerala. The first Jew temple in India was built in Kerala. That is in Jew Town. If you go to Cochin, if you visit Jew Town, you can visit that place. The first Jew synagogue was built in Kerala. So these are the three first religious places which was built in in India. So that's about this place, and I hope now my brother-in-law has purchased the fish, and we proceed to our house. So our fish is cut and ready to eat now. Just putting in one more bag. Okay, thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you. He's very famous. All market people are his friends. So now we get into the car. This is the private bus stand here. What you see on your left side. So, and the tuk-tuks waiting for the passengers who get down here. You can see the entry point here. Let me show you the entry point. This is how you enter the private bus stand here, this one.